Hello, dear parents, students, and new learner. Today, I have an important conversation with you. What is the main and purpose of making this video, Mister? Because there are many questions by new learners, teacher. How can we improve our English language? How we can get a normal level? Because as far as we know, this language is a very important and essential because of being international language. And today we will make a video which is going to be useful for you. The first I would like to mention you, there are 6 levels in English language. Firstly, beginner, second beginner elementary, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and master degree. And each level has it is important grammar and it is important vocabulary. The first, I have a great tips you and advise you. The first, you must learn the grammar of English language, okay? Because imagine and describe that if you don't know the grammar of English, how can you speak, okay? First, let's learn the grammar of English, which is going to be good at for your speaking. And second, you must increase your vocabulary list because imagine if you aren't aware of the meaning of the word, how can you make a sentence? And third, you must write essay, okay? And imagine yesterday you learned new words and today you must make essay about different and various diversification topics. And fourth, I advise you, let's read different stories, okay? Stories because fiction stories, because while you are reading, while you are listening, while you are writing, and for all of these abilities is going to be improved. And after, I advise you participate in conversation club. Let's learn grammar, increase your vocabulary list. After, let's read books. You must listen some listening ability. After, you must participate in conversation club. Which and I would like to mention you also at the weekend we organize conversation club in Invest Academy, which is located in Kobustan. This is the center of Kobustan, the branch of. After we also managing this conversation club in Baku, located in their station. Like this, after what can I advise you? Just you must be very disciplined. You know, you must be disciplined. You must how can I say sacrifice yourself. I mean that you mustn't give up. Never give up. Sacrifice yourself. Let's be disciplined. After, you must make your discipline scheduled. I mean that what is schedule? Because you are a student, you are prepared to enter your university. Which university are you interested in? So first make your schedule. When I wake up, okay, what I do, what I eat, when I sleep. Because your regime, I mean that your discipline regime is very important for your improving. This is that. After, if you don't believe yourself, I mean that if you don't believe that you can overcome those obstacle, you can come in this academy, you can join our conversation club. Yes, like this, and just believe yourself, never give up, and after, concentrate and focus on your hard working and your discipline regime, your discipline circumstance. Have a good time. I think you will get useful our videos, and I'm very happy to mention and giving recommendation and suggestion you. Thank you.